Hello YouTube, today is June 22nd, 2019. This video is about my ViewSonic VA2719-2K-SMHD. It's a 27-inch IPS 2K monitor from ViewSonic. I bought this originally off of Amazon brand new in February. The original I bought died in March. Didn't even have it a complete month and it died. And I contacted ViewSonic support, and they wanted to send me out a refurb and charge me for shipping. I said no and escalated it, so they said, oh well, you only had it for a month, so we'll send you out a brand new one, no charge. And this is that one that they sent. I received it on April the 8th, so I was actually without a monitor for a couple of weeks while they determined to send me a replacement and everything. And once I received it, this is that replacement. Like I said, I got it in April. It is now June. If I power it up, this is what I get. It started last night. It just scrolls through. Obviously those lines and view that's not right. It just should not be that way. This is my primary monitor, as you can see. Does not look anything like that. But this is what it does. It just cycles through the different video inputs looking for a signal, I guess, even though it has a signal going to it. I have it connected through HDMI and it just keeps cycling through. I tried changing it to the other HDMI, it doesn't work. Tried changing the whole connection to a display port, it does the same exact thing. It just scrolls through and shows this lovely lines up and down. So I've tried various troubleshooting that I know they're going to ask me to do. I unplugged it, plugged it back in, changed the power source completely, changed the power cord completely, changed the video cable completely, tried display port, HDMI, it doesn't matter. If I turn it off, if it'll actually respond, sometimes it doesn't respond. Alright, if I turn it off and go to the back, you can see all I have connected is HDMI and power. If I pull the HDMI connection, so now I have no video going to it whatsoever, just power. If I power it up, I know it's not my video card or system, seeing as that's no video connected to it all, and it does the exact same thing. It starts looking for a signal and displays these nice lovely vertical lines. It's great. I've tried going through the menu system. It does not respond to any of these buttons. The only button that responds is the power button. I've tried holding in each one because I know one of these actually resets, but nothing. With nothing connected to it, eventually goes to sleep, not detecting the input, and that's all she wrote. I don't really see any other troubleshooting I can do, seeing as I've changed out the power, changed out the video source, had no video source, and it still does this. I can't reset anything because none of the menus pop up. So I'll contact ViewSonic support again, see what they say, but again, I'm out of a secondary monitor. Luckily, my primary monitor is not a ViewSonic. I've had ViewSonic before and they've worked well. This particular model obviously is not doing well for me, and I would not suggest it. I would stay away from this no matter what, seeing as this is my second one. The first one died within a month. The second one, brand new, that they sent me replaced, died within 2 months. So yeah, I can't recommend this. So I'll contact them again. If the third one dies, I will be asking for a full refund, and I just will not purchase them again. Thank you.